You might not know this yet, but hundreds of people are making passive income every month through the TikTok creativity program. All they're doing is posting faceless content, which is bringing in millions of views and tens of thousands of dollars. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do this for yourself. I've created a full course for completely free, which gurus would charge $2,000 for. I'll show you a completely untapped niche, which no one is making money in yet. And then I'll show you exactly how you can create this content for yourself so that you can begin posting faceless content to grow and scale your account to start tapping into these earnings. You may be thinking, if no one is making money, then how can it be good? Focus on this TikTok page. As you can see, they aren't at 10K yet, so they're not getting paid. But if we look closer, you can see that all of their videos are getting hundreds of thousands of views. This means that this niche is on the verge of exploding. So let me ask you, are you going to let another opportunity slip through your hands? Or are you going to take action today so that you can be successful? I'll let you decide. I'll now play you a video from this niche.
Guess the album. Hint 1. The album went through several title changes before its release. Hint 2. One of the tracks on this album features a prominent sample from a gospel song by a famous 1970s choir.
Alright, it's pretty self-explanatory. You're guessing a rap album. Let's waste no more time and start creating this content for yourself. Don't worry if you don't know anything about rap. You don't need to, as we'll be automating the process with AI. To make your time easier, there's a Google Doc in this video's description with everything that we're going to use. So open it and get ready to work. Alright, the first thing we need is our video script. To do this, head to ChatGPT. Once on the AI, the first thing that I'm going to ask of it is to give us a list of the most popular rap albums. The AI will start doing that, but as you can see, you'll literally never run out of content with this niche, as there's thousands of albums that you can make videos about. It's literally evergreen. Once our list is generated, you want to go ahead and select a rap album that you want to use for our video. I'm going to go with My Beautiful Dark Twisted Fantasy by Kanye West. So copy the name of whatever album and enter a new prompt. I'm going to ask the AI to give me 10 facts about the album. I'm also going to make it put the hardest facts first and make them easier as the video goes on. This will boost our video's engagement, as people really want to guess what album we're talking about. Alright, ChatGPT has come back with a list of facts for us to use. They look pretty good, so I'll copy them to my clipboard. We now need to grab the voiceover for our video. Now, as you may have noticed in my example video, I had cloned Eminem's voice. In order to do this, we need to get an audio recording of Now we can't just use any song, we need an acapella. Head to YouTube and search for Eminem acapella. This is just the raw vocals. As if we cloned the instrumental also, AIs would get confused. You want to grab a few that we can use in our video, and make sure to save them as audio files. It's time to put our audio together. Head to 11 Labs to do this. Once you're on 11 Labs, you want to hit Voices in the top left. Now, hit Add a New Voice on the right. We're now going to use the feature called Instant Voice Cloning. Once on it, drag in your rapper recording. You also want to give it a name so that it's easy to find. Finally, scroll down and hit Add Voice. Once that's done, head back to Speech. Once on here, we need to click this drop-down menu. Now, cloning the voice is a paid feature, but it's only $5 a month, so I recommend it as it builds branding. If you don't want to, just grab a random voice from this drop-down menu. With our voice selected, paste in what we got from ChatGPT. Alright, these facts need a lot of work. I'm going to start by removing the text that says Fact 1, Fact 2, etc. These will just be wasted time in our voiceover. With these out of the way, I'm going to add an intro to our video. I'll go with Guess the Rap Album. With our intro in place, we're now going to add some engagement boosters throughout our video. The first one that I'll add about halfway in is Have You Got It Yet? Now, further down, I'm going to add one that says, Follow me to improve your rap knowledge. Next, I'm going to add, Like the video is You Have It. Lastly, we need to actually reveal the album at the bottom, so I'll add this text here. Our voiceover is done, so hit Generate Speech, and then save it to your device. Here's what it sounds like.
Guess the rap album. Let's go!
Alright, the next thing that we need are some images to put in our video. Head to Google Images, and the first thing that I'll search for will be the rap album itself. Find an image of it, right-click, and save it somewhere to your device. Alright, the next thing we need are some more random rap albums that we'll use in our intro. I'll search for rap albums, and you want to save 3 to 5 different ones for your video. Make sure they're individual images and not collages. Finally, we need to get pictures of our rapper. I'll search for Eminem PNG. PNG means that we can get a transparent background, as this'll look clean in our video. You want to save like 3 to 5 different images of the rapper, as this'll make our video so much more engaging. We're almost ready. One more thing we need. That's the background gameplay. I have a pack full of HD gameplays in this video's description. If you want to get them yourself, head to YouTube, and I'm going to search for Minecraft parkour. Find one that you haven't really seen that often, and get it for our video. Real quick, if you need TikTok accounts within the regions, check this video's description. We now have everything we need, so let's edit it all together in CapCut. Alright, start by importing everything that we've gathered for this video. The first thing that I'm going to add is our Eminem voiceover. Select it, and drag it onto the timeline like so. Now 11 Labs isn't perfect, and may have left some dead air that will severely lower our retention. In order to remove this, you need to split it either side using the split button. Next, click the middle bit and delete it, and then drag the voiceovers back together. With our voiceover done, we can now add our parkour. Select it and drag it into the timeline. Now, as it's longer than our voiceover, we want to put this cursor where the voiceover ends and press W in order to delete the parkour afterwards. With this done, you want to hit this ratio button. Now, select the option of 9:16 to put our video in the TikTok format. With this done, drag to parkour to enlarge it in the full frame. Alright, we now need to generate some captions. Hit text, auto captions, and then generate. Once our text has generated, you want to start by dragging it to the middle of the screen like so. We're next going to give it a font. Pick one from the drop-down menu. Next, scroll down and check the boxes under stroke and under shadow. Alright, the next thing that we want to do is get some more text. Head to the top left and add some default text. You want to enter the word hard into the text box. Give it the same font, but we're going to change its color to red. Just like the other text, scroll down and hit stroke and shadow. With that done, we need to change its position on the timeline. Start it after the intro and end it a third of the way through the video. With that done, we also need to position it above our captions like so. I'm now going to make our captions a little bigger so that they look better. Just select them and increase the font size. Alright, we now need to copy and paste the hard text. Once it's pasted, we want to change the text from hard to medium. We also need to change the color from red to orange. Now set the duration of the text from 1/3 to 2/3. Finally, repeat this process again for text reading easy, make it green, and position it right up until we reveal the album. Alright, we now want to add the 3 albums that aren't the actual video one. Drag all 3 into the timeline like so. Now, we want to make these appear on the video really quickly. So I'm going to trim them really short and make sure they disappear before the actual quiz. Now select them all, head to the top right, and set their Y value to 850. Next, set their scale to 50% to get this look from the video. We now need to add Eminem to the video. Select your first image and drag it into the timeline like this. We now want to position him in the bottom left, so shrink him and position him like so. I'm finally going to cut down the duration a bit. Next, add your next image. I'm going to shrink, but put this one in the middle like this. Finally, get the last image onto your timeline, and I'll shrink this one and put it in the bottom right. With our images in place, we're gonna now make them move. Select the first one and hit animation in the top right. Hit combo and choose one that you like. You then need to add one of these to each of your images. This should give them a moving effect like this. To save you time, you now want to copy these 3 photos and paste them over and over until your timeline is full. I'm now going to go back and alter the duration of these so that they correspond with the auto captions that we made, as well as add some new animations. Alright, the final thing we need to do is add the album the second it gets revealed. Add it to your timeline, make it smaller, and make sure it gets revealed at the right moment. That's our video done. Take a look.
Guess the rap album. Let's go! One of the songs from the album was famously performed live at the 2010 MTV Video Music Awards.
Alright, that's all for this guide. If you want the best TikTok assets, check the description. Bye.